Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot and Hyundai in Dorchester. Just going to show you a short video on this Peugeot 5008 SUV. This particular one is a GT 2-litre, 180 brake horsepower blue HDI diesel with the E88 automatic gearbox. Now the car is in Nera black metallic. It has, over and above the standard car, the grip control, the advanced grip control system, and the vehicle's done 11,300 miles and was registered 2018 on an 18 plate. So I hope you enjoyed the video.